It's the hungry Gobble Monster. Let's see what's in the box. Here's one Gobble Monster, 24 cards, and 12 toys. Your Gobble Monster will require 3 not included AAA batteries. You'll need to assemble the Gobble Monster and move the power switch to the on position. Pull the tongue out all the way and randomly place the toys on it. Then press the tail. When you hear it click, you're ready to play. Shuffle and draw a card. This card means you have to save a toy that matches the shape shown on the card and take it off the monster's tongue. Each card has a different meaning. With this one, you move one of the toys from one spot to another. With this type of card, you save the toy that matches the colors shown on the card. Or with this one, take a toy from another player's toy pile. Remove as many toys as possible before he gobbles everything up. If it was your turn when the Gobble Monster gets angry, give one toy to all other players. Collect the most toys to win. Gobble Monster from Goliath.